Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions: anxiety. Anxiety is a natural human response to stress, but when it becomes overwhelming, it's time to take action. In this video, I'll guide you through understanding your anxiety, managing symptoms, and breaking free from its grip. We'll explore practical strategies to help you feel calmer and more in control. The first step in tackling anxiety is learning to recognize its signals. Anxiety can manifest in various ways, both physically and mentally. Physical symptoms include a racing heart, shortness of breath, and muscle tension. Mental symptoms involve racing thoughts, excessive worry, and difficulty concentrating. Pay attention to your unique warning signs to manage anxiety before it spirals out of control. Recognizing these patterns is crucial for effective management. Let's dive into practical lifestyle changes that can make a world of difference in managing anxiety. Nutrition is key. Avoid processed foods and excessive caffeine. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Stay hydrated, as dehydration can mimic anxiety symptoms. Movement is essential. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise can significantly impact anxiety levels. Exercise releases endorphins and reduces stress hormones. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and avoid screens before bed. Limit alcohol and nicotine, as they can worsen anxiety in the long run. Build healthy coping mechanisms that support your overall well-being. Small, consistent changes over time can lead to big results. Focus on these lifestyle adjustments to manage anxiety effectively. Now let's dive into cognitive behavioral techniques, or CBT. CBT focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns that contribute to anxiety. Our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected. Negative thoughts like "I'm going to fail" lead to anxiety and fear. CBT helps challenge and reframe these negative thought patterns. Recognize cognitive distortions and replace them with balanced thoughts. Over time, CBT can help break free from negative thought cycles. In a world constantly demanding our attention, mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for managing anxiety. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Practice mindfulness anywhere, while eating, walking, or washing dishes. Meditation is a structured practice focusing on a particular object, sound, or sensation. Both practices aim to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. Studies show mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress hormones and improve mental well-being. Incorporate these practices into your routine for anxiety relief. We've covered recognizing anxiety symptoms, lifestyle changes, CBT, and mindfulness. These are valuable tools, but sometimes professional help is necessary. If anxiety interferes with your daily life, relationships, or ability to function, seek professional guidance. A mental health professional can provide individualized support and evidence-based therapies. They can help develop coping mechanisms and address underlying issues. Reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. There are resources available to support you on your journey to recovery. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Breaking the cycle of anxiety is possible, and we're here to support you every step of the way. By understanding and addressing your anxiety, you're on the path to healing and reclaiming your peace of mind. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video.